that PAYA INDAH wetland have been open since February 1988. It is a conservation and tourism area under the management of the Department of Wildlife Protection and National Parks of Peninsular Malaysia, Perhilitan. And it was formerly a tin mine land and peat swamp forest. There are 14 artificial lakes that were originally tin mines with a depth more than 10 meters. For example, Tasik Utama, Tasik Senayan, Tasik Tepa, and many more. So, what is wetlands? Wetlands are areas where water covers the soil or is present either at or near the surface of the soil all year or for varying periods of time during the year, including growing season. So, what are the common trees found in the wetland ecosystem? Common trees that are found in the wetland ecosystem are Acer rubra, Betula nigra, and Crapinus caroliniana. So, what is Ramsar Convention? Ramsar Convention is an international treaty for the conservation and sustainable use of Ramsar sites, and it is also known as the Convention on Wetlands. So, 3 freshwater wetlands in Malaysia that we have found are mudflats, swamp, and lagoon.
Okay guys, here we are at the lake, which is Lily and Baby habitat. Right now we are feeding them the fruits, which is banana and papaya. The kingdom classification of hippopotamus is under kingdom Animalia, and its phylum is phylum Chordata. Hippopotamus is also the family of Hippopotamidae. They are not a cannibal animal as they are herbivores. As you can see from the video, the hippopotamus right here, which is the Lily, the female hippopotamus. One of the fun facts that we got from our tour guide is that the hippopotamus produce red slimy sweat for controlling their body temperature. Besides, they also like to spend in water to keep cool and to protect their delicate skin. Besides about their reproduction, the female hippopotamus can breed at 7 to 15 years and usually reproduce every 2 years. The reproduction and childbirth both occur in the water. There are a lot of differences between hippopotamus and rhinoceros. First of all is their size. The size of hippopotamus is smaller than rhinoceros, while the size of rhinoceros is more bigger than hippopotamus. Then their habitats. The habitats of hippopotamus is river and lakes, while the habitats of rhinoceros is subtropical and tropical grasslands. Lastly is their horns. Hippopotamus does not possess any horns, while the rhinoceros possesses horns, which is made up of keratin.
So now we are going to see crocodile. So this is where the crocodiles located.
Selamat datang ke aktiviti memberi makan buaya PAYA INDAH Wetland. Okay.
So guys, did you know that at first the population of the crocodile in this lake is 17, but now it is increased to 68 in the lake.
Next, a crocodile is a prey to hippo or a predator to hippo. So, a crocodile can be either a prey or a predator to a hippo depending on situation. Sometimes, crocodiles are known to occasionally prey on young or injured hippos. Adult hippos are not typically considered prey for crocodiles. Instead, adult hippos are known to be highly territorial and can act aggressively towards crocodiles, which is potentially making the crocodiles the prey in such situations. However, this kind of situation between crocodiles and hippos are relatively rare to occur. So, what are the differences between crocodile and alligator? First, from the physical appearance, crocodile has a V-shaped snout, while alligators have a U-shaped snout. Secondly, for the behavior, crocodiles are generally more aggressive and tend to be more dangerous to humans compared to alligators. Alligators are typically more tolerant of humans and avoid confrontation. What are the predators for crocodile? First, other crocodiles. Large adult crocodiles can cannibalize smaller or younger crocodiles. Secondly, large snakes. Some large snakes, like anacondas or pythons, have been known to attack crocodiles, especially the young ones. Crocodile lay eggs or give birth to hatchlings. So basically, crocodile lay eggs. The female crocodile begins the reproduction process by finding a suitable nesting site, usually close to water, such as rivers or lakes. The incubation period for crocodile eggs usually spans around 80 to 90 days. So during this period of time, the eggs are subjected to the surrounding temperature, which influences the development of the embryos. So warmer temperature generally result in the hatching of male crocodiles, while cooler temperatures produce females.
Hi, so let's talk about tortoise. Like other turtles, tortoise have a shell to protect from predations and other threats. The shell in tortoise is generally hard and like other members of the suborder Cryptodira.
Tortoise can live up until 100.
Yeah.
What are the tortoise eat? Some species of tortoise will often eat things like insects, slug, and carrion in the wild, but generally it's the best to stick plants and leaf when you keep one at home. Most common vegetables of tortoise eat include carrot, celery, and cucumber, and most common fruit tortoise eat include grapes, pear, and peaches. So, how we differentiate between female and male tortoise? We have to look under the side of tortoise below the tail. If female, generally you will see U-shaped notches, and if male tortoise, you will see V-shaped one. Okay.
Okay. Hi guys. So we are here right now at Jalan Bukit Ayam.
Now, let's discuss the vegetation in PAYA INDAH wetland. Initially, the area faced challenge in supporting diverse tree species due to contaminated soil from its parts as a landmine site. However, concerted effort by Perhilitan and authorities involved extensive replanting programs to restore the soil fertility. Among the successful thriving tree species are the acacia tree, which stand out as the prominent choice, originating from Australia, where it used for logging. The Malaysian acacia, however, doesn't reach the same size and have a less robust trunk. Despite this, it adapts well with the local environment, making it an excellent species for replanting. Acacia leaves can be transformed into soap, while its trunks find use in pencil and wood pellet production. During our jungle trekking, a natural salt lake was discovered. According to Encik, it was likely created by wild boars and frequented by various wildlife such as wildcats, squirrels, and birds. Parental responsibility includes maintaining it by adding salts into the salt lake. Natural salt lake is an area which is rich in minerals like calcium, magnesium, and sodium. These minerals are essential for herbivores and help eliminate toxins and poison when animal licks the mineral-rich clay. Interesting fact is that in forest survival situation, trees can serve as directional indicators. Most trees tend to lean westward, and more often grows on the west side of the tree box. Another tree variety in the area is the fan palm. It is valued for its waterproof leaf that can be used for shelter or a covering, and other than that can be used as rice wrapper.